Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, y'all know what day it is? Happy Easter to all you guys, man. You know, the one day we allow some giant rodent to hop across our house and just like hide shit. It's weird, right? And I'm pretty sure he stole my girlfriend's panties last year too, but we won't get into that. Also, to those of you guys who don't celebrate Easter, I get it, man. Happy Sunday. I'm not celebrating it either this year because I just found out yesterday's video wasn't monetized. Called my roommate upstairs, called my girlfriend over, and I said, we're not celebrating this. Easter's over! So thank you, YouTube, I guess, for ruining my Easter. But if you guys want to make it better, you guys can thumbs up and comment down below. Hopefully this video is gonna get shared. You know, that's my main concern with not getting monetized. I would love my videos to get shared. So huge thumbs up, comment down below, all that helps. Happy Easter and happy Sunday, boys. On a lighter note though, this video is actually sponsored by our good old people over at Rose Gold and Black. Man, if you guys are boys, go at least click the link down below to their website and show that you guys care a little bit. I've been showing them off forever. I've been wearing this thing for like the past month straight. Awesome bracelet. I have it like loose right now because I like how like my bracelet goes like that. Some OCD stuff. I just like to do this, or maybe that's ADHD. I just like to do this. Anyway, they sell bracelets on their website like this. They also sell necklaces on their website just like this. Just some low-key stuff that I really dig. Watches, they've got rings. All of this is from Rose Gold and Black. They're actually celebrating also their 30-year birthday, which is crazy. So they're gonna give you guys 30% off while free worldwide shipping with the link down below. And also, if you guys obviously use the discount code NameBran, just spelled like how the channel is, you guys get an additional 10% off. That's like almost 50% off. No brainer on my mind. I love this bracelet so freaking much, dude. It's my favorite thing ever. Check out the website. I'll have something rolling up on the screen right now. This is a lot of their pieces that I think are dope, that are kind of newer on there. So, you know, go hit them up, man. They actually really believe in the NameBran channel, so I would love for you guys to believe in them and at least give them a chance by checking it out, maybe making an order. Might make me look good. Not gonna lie. Rose Gold and Black, we always appreciate you guys. Wow, let's get on to the video. Alright man, so getting on to this is like another one of those mystery type of unboxing products that I really love. You guys know we've opened soap bars with money in them, other stuff, candles, it's a lot of girly stuff, but sometimes they come with some really cool jewelry in them. That's what we're trying to find. So anyway, going off that, because I love these, and I'm really trying to score big on one of these. We haven't scored huge yet. I know you guys have been watching them. Also, if you love these, leave a comment down below saying you like them. But anyway, with this box right here, I saw somebody advertising on an Instagram ad about a week and a half ago talking about they got these like Easter eggs filled with things, which is why we're posting this on Easter, which is why my whole Easter is just filming today, because what else am I gonna do? We can't even go outside and see our family, for God's sake. Anyway, these eggs in this box, apparently you buy an egg for $5. I bought a few of them, and some may contain real diamond jewelry. We have to find that. That's what I would love to find. That would make an amazing freaking video. And I think if I remember correct, 1 out of 5 eggs will just come with just like a regular piece of jewelry. Doesn't mean it's gonna be the best diamond jewelry or anything, but you can find real diamonds in stuff. So cool. Saw that Instagram ad about a week ago. I hit them up, and this is why I'm actually not gonna be shouting out their name today. Man, I'm not trying to like be like an ass right now, but they were bad. I didn't like the response I got. Alright man, so seeing this ad, I'm just actually gonna put it up on the screen right here. I'm gonna blur out the name because I will not be shouting them out whatsoever. Actually, I'm gonna put it over here. Sorry, because the lighting's better here. Not because I'm salty or anything, but here's what I said to them. I saw their ad. I'll post it up on the screen. Hey, I saw your Instagram ad on your mystery eggs. I would love to make a YouTube video unboxing them for my viewers. Probably a good thing to say, right? You know, that's literally my goal. Let me know if you would be down with sending some out for an Easter video. So I asked, you know, I was like, hey man, if you can send some out, that'd be dope. Might save me like 50 bucks or whatever. And then quite quickly I got a response like within the day saying, we will not be sending handouts for YouTubers. If you would like to purchase some for yourself, the link is in our description. So that's why I'm not putting the goddamn link in. I'm not asking for handouts. I could pay the $50. I just thought it would be a nice thing if we could collab on something like this, and maybe they could send me like a bunch of them so I can unbox a bunch of them and do like a really good video on both of our ends. You know, like these videos, a lot of them have gotten like almost 100,000 views. So I think it would be good for both of us. One, if I got a bunch more than I was willing to buy, then, you know, like that'd be a good video for me. And also that would hopefully be a good video for them, seeing as they're gonna get thousands of people looking at that stuff. They gave me that response, screw them, not giving the name. I'm sorry boys, you could search it up on the internet, but It's just a no-go. I'm not advertising that. Screw you to the people that sent the box. Once again, I'm not salty about spending the money. I'll spend the money if you want me to. It's just like, why think that I'm like asking for a handout? I don't give a shit about your eggs. I'm trying to make a cool video, idiots. Anyway, getting into it, we have the box right here, and let's get into it. I think I got 5 or 6 eggs, and we'll hope that we get some diamond jewelry or something like that. Got a diamond tester ready too, so we're real prepared. Alright, let's get her open, boys. Oh, my address. Jesus. Don't get me wrong, I'm still pissed off about the company, but I still want something real good. We really haven't gotten anything that crazy yet. And this, hopefully, with all these mystery things are inside, will be the time. Maybe these eggs are it. Also, when I purchased it, I used my other email because I didn't want, like, maybe the person that's running Instagram, probably not, but maybe that's the person that's patching it. Probably not those stuff. But, yeah, I changed my email just so they wouldn't, like, screw me over. You know what I mean? So we did this real safe. Ah, God. Okay, there's Easter packing. I think I just screwed. That looks like it might have been nicely wrapped. I don't know. Tinsel, bad. What is that? $5 of my money or something? Okay, so I got 1, 2. Okay, so I got 5 eggs, $5 each. Let's get into them. One's actually opening up right now, which I'm confused about. Show the box right there. It's kind of funny, man. These look kind of cool, actually. So we'll get to the one that's half opened right now. Once again, we're looking for jewelry, boys. The hell is that? Is it in there? Whoa, I don't remember this. I just purchased it. Okay. No, there's nothing. That's... I shouldn't have done that. Oh, it's stuck to my teeth. Yeah, that's Play-Doh. God, is that sour? Exactly how I remembered it when I was eating it a year ago. Just kidding, don't eat that. Anyway, I guess if you have a doll, it's Play-Doh. So that's 1 out of 5. Damn it. Also, really stoked to have a lot of Play-Doh. That's kind of, or is it Silly Putty? No, I'm pretty sure that's Play-Doh. Dope. Cool. Well, whatever. Spent $5 on that Play-Doh. Great. Let's get into the next. I really want to get something big on these, boys. Or at least win once. We had that gold unboxing one, and we got no gold in it. Next one, we got a pink egg right here, just dead a yellow. Let's get into it. More Play-Doh. This is not gonna be good. It's just not even, like, satisfying. It is really satisfying, actually, and there's no ring or anything in it. I would assume maybe they would hide things in it, so that's why I'm breaking it open. There's nothing. Very cool, though. Pink Play-Doh, we're gonna add it to the yellow. We're gonna make a giant ball at the end of this, boys. Maybe we'll squish together and see what we can get. What kind of color do you think is gonna come up? Alright, 2 for, god damn it. This is gonna be a really fast video. Usually it's something you have to break open, which really helps with 10 minutes mark of the video. I want to get it to 10 minutes for money. Do you hear that? No. No, boys, we hit it. We hit it. There's no way we didn't hit it. It's already breaking out. We have to get it. Oh my god. We got some, finally. Oh my god. You guys have no idea. I don't even care what's in this. I do, but I want to win for the video. We gotta watch. We gotta watch. We hit for pretty much the first time, I think. And it's gone. Okay. Sorry, my girlfriend's downstairs trying to do some stuff about nursing work. Okay, I'm trying to be quiet. I'm trying to be calm. Cool, man. We got something. We got a watch. Very sick. It's got diamonds on it. Oh, please be real. Please be. What make is it? It's quartz. Quartz. That's the make. Quartz. I've heard of that somewhere. That might be a good watch. This might be a really good watch. I can't remember what quartz is. It's like a brand. Q-U-A-T-Z or T-Z. I can't read. I'm dyslexic. Sorry. Huge win. Let's go! Let's go! Awesome. 1 out of 5 they said would have jewelry. Some might have real stuff. So we're actually going to diamond test this at the end. Let's see if we can get anything else so far, man. Yes! Now I'm stoked. Easter's great. I love Easter. I love Easter now. It's my favorite time of year because I'm very happy right now. Alright, on to the next. Sorry, I just took a break real quick to put that in a cool ball. Let's go for another. We have a purple one next. I won't do that for the next. I definitely guarantee that's Silly Putty. Or whatever the hell this is. Yeah. God damn it! More of this. However, we've still gotten good so far. We have to check those diamonds. Yeah, there's nothing in it. Maybe they're not hiding things in them. I don't know. We gotta add it to the ball, though. If we're gonna do anything fun in this video, at least we have to do some arts and crafts. And definitely, if somebody pisses me off later, I'm gonna throw it at them. We're down 5, 10, 15, $20. We have one left. So really, even if this is 20 bucks, I don't know. I don't know what that's worth. Anyway, let's get on to the last one. We get a big ball of crap right here. One more, baby. Let's go. I'm not shaking it. I feel something that might be good, though. Right when I picked it up, I felt something that might be good. Okay. Oh, buddy. Fudge. Quick save. More of this. We'll break it open a little bit. I don't know why they wouldn't put stuff in it. That would have been more fun. I guess it would, like, imagine that on a watch, though. I guess that'd make it really dirty. That makes sense. Anyway, that's the last one. Yeah, nothing. We'll add it to the ball, and we're gonna diamond test this watch real quick, boys. Alrighty, after lots of searching where this was, found my diamond tester. Now, this is a $20 one. They're not too accurate. So if it shows up as real on this one, then obviously I'll use the $500 one that I have. If it doesn't show up as real on this one, then I feel like it's just not real. So it's all heated up. Boys, I'm actually so stoked. If we could get a huge win on this, oh god, we've been waiting. Hold it. We got the 4 prongs, the 3 prongs. We need 4 on there. We need to set it right before when it goes to yellow. And oh, that little blinking you heard was just metal. Yeah. That's not. God damn it. So not real diamonds. I don't know how much this watch costs. Maybe I'll search it up, or if you guys want to search it up, leave a comment down below. It doesn't really matter at this point. I feel like if it's not real diamonds, it's not probably like, it's probably one of their stock watches they put in or something. Anyway, it's like a rose gold. It's alright. I'll give it to my girlfriend. She probably won't want it at all. I'll probably donate it or give it out to you guys. If you guys want to give 2,000 thumbs up within the day, I'll just send it out to one of you guys. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'd say we took like half a win on this one. We definitely got like what we were looking for, but we didn't necessarily get the best of the best, which is diamonds. But I guarantee like real diamond stuff isn't that easy to come by with these. So anyway, you guys let me know if you want more of these mystery unboxings. I get way too stoked about them just because if we get something really, really dope, it'd make an awesome video, like I've said. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. I got a bunch of Play-Doh I can play with now. American the Game, the greatest of all time. Happy Easter, and once again, if you don't celebrate it, happy Sunday. It's a weekend, nonetheless, you know? American it, wow.